solving simultaneous equations. Okay, so this is a step up from the previous lesson which we did on solving simultaneous equations. So on here, I have got, like we said, simultaneous equations, we are solving two equations at the same time because we've got two unknowns, which means we are looking for the value of x, and at the same time, we are looking for the value of y, which means when you finish this, you should have two answers, one for the value for x and the values for y. So I'll rewrite my equation. So this one is my equation 1. 3x plus 7y equals 13, and y equals x minus 11. On this simultaneous equation, I have got the value of y. So on here, I don't need to add or subtract. I have to just substitute first. Okay, what that means is, instead of writing this y, because I already know y is x minus 11. So for me, instead of writing this y, I'm going to write this and substitute. So I'm going to substitute equation 2 into equation 1. Okay, so instead of writing that y, I'm going to write x minus 11. Then I'm going to have all of them, they'll have x on them. So that will be easier for me to solve. So that will be 3x plus, but you can see this one is more than one number, so I'm going to put them in brackets. Let's leave a space there. 7. Okay. Instead of me writing this y, remember brackets, it means you're timesing. So I'm timesing 7 times this, but because it's the next week, so I have to write the whole thing. So that will be x minus 11, which is equal to 18. So you can see I have got all of them, they've got the same unknown, which is the x. So it's easier for me to work it out one. So that will be 3x plus 7x. 7 times minus 11 minus 77 equals 13. Okay, correcting the like terms, I can add 3x and 7x, which will give me 10x minus 77 equals 13. Okay, and then remember, correcting the like terms, which means I cannot take away these two. So 77 has to go to the other side, and we need to change the sign. So it's a negative 77, so it will be a positive 77. So that will be 10x equals 13. Remember, the number on that side always starts first, plus 77, which is 10x equals 77. Okay, on the side, you can add them on the side. So that will be 10, carry 1, 8, 9. So that will be 90. 90, okay? And remember, we divide both sides by 10. Divide that by 10. Divide that by 10 as well. So this 10 is going to cross that. Then 10 into 90, it goes 9 times. So which means the value of x will be 9. Because 10 into 90 goes 9 times. Now I've found the value for x. Now I can substitute it into the second equation. It will be easier on the second equation because I don't need to multiply with big numbers. So I need to now to substitute into there. So y, now I need to find the value of y now. Y equals, but I already know x is 9, so I'm going to put 9 there. 9 minus 11. So my y equals 9 minus 11, which is minus 2. Okay, now I need to check, because now I've got my values. X is 9 and y is minus 2. Because I've substituted in the second equation, I can now check with the first equation. So my first equation, now I'm going to check. Okay, so 3x, which is 3x, so x is 9, so 3 times 9, which is 27, plus, we don't know if it's a plus or a minus, minus 9, so you don't need to write the number because I've got a negative there. That's why I did not write the sign. It could be a minus or it could be a plus. Okay, so if you put a plus, that might be a bit more confusing for you. Okay, so I've got a minus 2, so I'm doing minus 2 times minus 7, which is minus 14. So can you see it's changed on there? Then is this equal to 13? So 27 minus 14 is 13. So 13 equals 13. Then you know your answer is correct. Okay? So practice on these ones again. The worksheet is at the end of the video. Practice it again. Send in your work for marking. Then you can move to the next level. Then you can do another, because we've got another video on simultaneous equations as well. So you move the next level and do the next level, and you can send it for marking as well.